Gates open, dead up, and racing Black Label Panamera. Morning na, sir. Moving up by the rail, then comes Hakuna Matata. Ideal View alongside, and Super Elegant is the early trailer. About to pass the last 900. Morning na, sir. By about 2 lengths. Then racing in second is Black Label. Panamera is racing in third. Moving up by the rail fourth is Hakuna Matata, Ideal View, and Super Elegant. Now pass approaching on the outside as they rounded the last 600. Morning na, sir. By about 3 lengths. Running in second, Black Label, Panamera, Hakuna Matata by the rail, Super Elegant, and Ideal View. As they swing for home, morning na, sir, is still leading the field by about 3 lengths. Black Label is on the outside second, Hakuna Matata by the rail, and down the stretch they come. Morning na, sir. Black Label moving up on the outside together with Hakuna Matata. Hakuna Matata winning this race. Back-to-back win for Jet Sarate second. Morning na, sir. Black Label, Panamera, Super Elegant, and